Are you struggling to get your WordPress website to rank higher on search engines? Do you want to uncover the secrets to mastering WordPress SEO? Look no further. In this video, we will reveal the hidden secrets and strategies to unlock the power of WordPress SEO. First, let's start with keyword research. Did you know that choosing the right keywords can significantly impact your website's visibility? We will show you how to find those high-ranking keywords that will attract more organic traffic. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can master the art of keyword research and optimize your website for search engines. First, let's understand what SEO keyword research is all about. Keyword research involves identifying the specific words and phrases people use when searching for information online. By targeting these keywords, you can increase your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic. To begin your research, start by brainstorming a list of relevant topics or themes related to your website or industry. Once you have a list, use keyword research tools such as Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify specific keywords that are highly searched for. Remember, it's not just about choosing popular keywords. You also need to consider the competition. Look for keywords with a good balance of high search volume and low competition. This will give you a better chance of ranking higher in search results. Next, it's time to analyze the intent behind these keywords. Are people searching for information, products, or services? Understanding user intent will help you create relevant and captivating content that matches what people are searching for. Now that you have your list of keywords, it's time to strategically incorporate them into your content. Use your target keywords in your page titles, headings, meta descriptions, URL structures, and throughout the content itself. However, remember to keep your content natural and user-friendly, avoiding keyword stuffing. Finally, don't forget to monitor and adapt your keyword strategy over time. Analyze your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics, and make adjustments based on the data. This will help you stay ahead of your competition and ensure your website remains optimized for search engines. Next, we'll delve into on-page optimization. Learn how to optimize your website's content, headings, meta tags, and URLs to maximize your search engine ranking potential. But that's not all. We'll also teach you the art of link building. Discover effective techniques to acquire high-quality backlinks and boost your website's authority, ultimately improving your SEO performance. Furthermore, we'll uncover the importance of mobile optimization. With the increasing number of mobile users, optimizing your website for mobile devices is crucial. We'll guide you on how to create a mobile-friendly site that will skyrocket your search rankings. Lastly, we'll share valuable tips and tricks to speed up your website's loading time. Page speed is a critical factor in both user experience and SEO. Discover powerful tools and strategies to optimize your website's performance, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. Unlocking WordPress SEO secrets is within your reach. By following our proven strategies and techniques, you'll be able to increase your website's visibility, attract more organic traffic, and surpass your competition. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your WordPress SEO game. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.